When Diablo 4 came out, one of our favorite designers, Fotis created this bust of Lilith to celebrate the occasion. And we decided to print it on the original Prusa XL to get as close to her real size as possible. So we scaled the model to 666% in Prusa Slicer and printed it in 9 parts. It took 262 hours to print and required over 9 kilograms of filament. And to emphasize her demonic beauty, we painstakingly painted the entire model. Now she's a scary yet beautiful addition to the lineup of models we bring to various shows and events. So, what do you think? Would you like to have such a model in your gaming room? Let us know in the comments.